All right, guys, this is the follow-up to the second experience. Remember, this second experience is completely optional. It's only here to add to your exam experience. It will enhance your grade. If you work on this and you do a nice job, positive attributes will be added to your grade. There's no detriment if you decide not to do it. So if you're like, hey, you know what, Engel, I'm good, thanks. Fine, no judgment, no detriment or anything will come your way. It's only if you want to add to your experience here. So, again, it's going to be structured like the required activity for this week. It's going to have the College Board video. This one's about 10 minutes longer. The video does start off with talking about the work that we did for the required learning. So if you're like, hey, Ms. Engel gave me some good feedback, I want to know what else they have to say, the beginning of this video will do that for you. Then they're going to be talking about setting, and setting is one of those things that's, in my mind, is easily overlooked. Just because students are like, oh yeah, setting, that's a little kid thing, we learned how to do that so early, and you do, but it only continues to enhance as you go along. So watch this video. Then in the OneNote here, I've got this all laid out for you. Obviously, you're watching my video next, okay, and that's this video. So here, good job, nice work. The documents you're going to need for this activity is the same passage that we already looked at already this week, this character practice. It's the same sort of thing. It does have a setting prompt written at the top of it. If you wanted to go ahead and write that essay out as a practice, this would be a wonderful, wonderful thing. I kicked around doing that, but I'm already giving you a lot to do, and I know your other e-learning classes already have a lot for you to do. So same passage. Then you're going to set up this chart. So I love the example here is not the one. I didn't want to take any of the good work here. But here's the chart. You're going to talk about the location, the description, the text evidence that backs that up. These are three different pieces of text evidence, hence they're in different quotation marks. If you happen to have something that's all together, put it in this box the way you see it in the text. And then what's the function? What purpose does that text serve? Okay, what purpose does that author's description add to the piece? What does that location do for the piece? Okay, so what do these various settings suggest about the values of the inhabitants? Okay, so if you look at a cold day in April, the fact that it's bright, okay, a bright cold day in April is inviting, but a vile wind and gritty dust is not. So looking at those descriptions, what can you do about those? And what does that do for the theme or the central idea? What do these things add to things? This is what you'd be writing about if you were indeed writing that prompt, talking about the value of the setting here. You're going to email me this chart. I'm not going to put a requirement on here. I'm just going to ask you to consider everything setting in this chart. I'll email it to me. I'll send it to you. If there's any revisions or any other clarifications to your thinking that you need, I'll be getting that on there for you. And then, again, this only adds to your exam experience. It only enhances your grade. So I really like the way that they describe the setting in this video. These two teachers, I think, do a really nice job. So watch their video, listen to this, give this a try, and reach out for help. If there's anything I can do to help you guys, please let me know. And thank you for participating in this optional secondary experience. I'm confident that we're going to crank this essay out and we're going to nail this exam. So, guys, let me help you. Reach out to me. Thanks.